If you love fine crystal, famous brands like Waterford or Villeroy and Bach, chances are pretty good that it was made right here in Slovenia at the Rogaška Glassworks. The town of Rogaška Slatina is famous for mineral water, health spas, and the world's largest handmade crystal production facility. You can take a factory tour, but no photos are allowed of the artisans working inside. Here, in the showroom, you can admire some of the finished products. Rogaška crystal is used in sports trophies and as protocol gifts for world leaders. Glassmaking in Slovenia dates back to 1665. This factory opened in 1927. Today it provides hundreds of jobs and a training school for the next generation of master glassmakers. Fine crystal from Rogaška is sold around the world by the most famous luxury brands. And here's a shopping tip. At the outlet, prices are 60 to 70% off. At one time, Rogaška made luxury stemware for then businessman Donald Trump. That line has been discontinued, but don't worry, there are plenty of other famous names for you to choose from, all at factory outlet prices. A sparkling piece of Slovenian crystal makes a great souvenir for you to take home. Hey, it's Terry. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button for more fun travel videos from Slovenia and the world. Also, I put some links in the video description below so you can get more information on my blog, strangersinthelivingroom.com, because you're always a stranger in somebody's living room when you travel. Thanks for watching, and don't be a stranger.